ready to give your car that showroom shine? The Trade Professional 1400 watt polisher 180mm is built to bring tired paintwork back to life. With a powerful 1400 watt motor and variable speed control from 900 to 3800 RPM, this polisher gives you total command, whether you're removing swirl marks, buffing out scratches, or applying wax for a brilliant finish. Its 180mm disc covers large areas quickly, while the comfortable D-shaped handle and well-balanced design make it a joy to use, even for beginners. You'll also get a durable molded case and spare brushes to keep you going for longer. This isn't just a tool, it's your secret weapon for turning everyday surfaces into high-gloss perfection. Use it on cars, bikes, boats, or even around the home. No jargon. No fuss. Just a solid, reliable machine that delivers serious results. Visit 4home.co.za. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our videos.
4home.co.za, online shopping the easy way.